Top 10 foods that prevent and fight cancer. Cancer is a disease that damages the DNA and genes within cells, causing them to mutate and grow out of control. Cancer cells, unlike healthy cells, become immortal and spread rapidly throughout the body, depleting nutrients and sugar reserves. Mutating cells can develop tumors and cause cancer in several organs, including the colon, liver, pancreas, and lungs. Cancerous cells kill neurons, blood vessels, and organs, leading to death. What causes the initial harm to your DNA and cells? Causes of cancer. Refined sugar, commonly added to meals, is a leading source of free radical damage to mitochondria within cells. High fructose corn syrup, commonly found in sweets, juice drinks, sauces, and fast meals, has been linked to an increased risk of cancer. Diet soda's artificial sweeteners, such as aspartame, can harm insulin receptors in cells, potentially leading to cancer. Refined vegetable oils are carcinogenic, and processed grains and wheat can deplete antioxidants, increasing the risk of DNA damage. Chemical pesticides and weed killers put on food can damage your cells. Pollutants, such as smoking, vaping, and drinking, are also present in our air. Although we have all been exposed to these things, we are lucky that there are natural foods raw garlic consuming. Raw garlic on a daily basis helps inhibit the development of cancer cells in the body. It includes natural compounds including ajoine, allicin, and sulfur that increase antioxidant activity and protect mitochondria and DNA from harm. Garlic contains allicin, which has been linked to cancer cell self-destruction. To activate allicin, smash garlic and avoid cooking it, since heat might damage the delicate ingredient. Number 2, broccoli sprouts. Broccoli sprouts are 2 to 3 day old microgreens grown from broccoli seeds. They contain sulforaphane, an anti-cancer substance that kills cancer cells while protecting healthy cells. Broccoli sprouts have 100 times more sulforaphane than full-grown broccoli. Consuming more sulforaphane increases liver enzyme production, which helps break down poisons and pollutants in the body that may have caused cancer in the long run. You can simply grow them at home with a cheap sprouting kit on a windowsill. Cauliflower, radish, arugula, and wheatgrass seeds have anti-cancer chemicals. Adding enzymes to cooked veggies enhances nutritional absorption. Alternatively, you may mix them into a nutritious salad. Number 3, blueberries. Consume blueberries daily to boost health and immunity. Anthocyanins, plant pigments, are responsible for the black-purple color of blueberries and other berries. Anthocyanins are powerful antioxidants that protect cells from free radical damage caused by sugar, junk diets, and vegetable oils. To protect your health and repair medical issues, consume antioxidant-rich foods on a daily basis. Some anti-cancer berries, such as bilberries, blackberries, strawberries, and acai, can be consumed as powdered supplements. If you found this material valuable, please like, subscribe, and enable alerts to remain up to speed on health and nutrition. Number 4, sauerkraut. Sauerkraut, a fermented cabbage popular in Germany, contains high levels of vitamin C. 1 cup provides 700 milligrams of vitamin C, which is more than 8 times the daily recommended amount. Cancer commonly spreads to inflammatory tissues. Vitamin C reduces inflammation and removes free radicals from the blood, lowering the risk of cancer. Consuming whole foods high in vitamin C is crucial, as ascorbic acid pills do not provide the same benefits. I advocate eating sauerkraut 3 times each week. Fermented foods contain prebiotics and probiotics, which promote colon health and prevent polyps, tumors, and bowel cancer. Fermented foods such as full-fat Greek yogurt, kimchi, miso, and kefir are also highly recommended. Number 5, cruciferous vegetables. For years, many of us have mistreated our bodies by consuming excessive junk food, sugar, and alcohol. Toxins can accumulate in the bones, liver, tissues, and other organs, increasing the risk of cancer later in life. Consuming organic cruciferous vegetables can aid in the removal of carcinogenic poisons from the body. Vegetables include anti-cancer phytonutrients, including indole 3-carbinol, as well as vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, and B vitamins. These nutrients support your liver's enzymes in breaking down poisons into harmless, water-soluble particles that can be eliminated through urine. This is known as Phase 1 and Phase 2 detoxification. Avoid overcooking vegetables by softly steaming them. Instead, serve them fresh in a salad with tomatoes, spring onions, herbs, etc. Number 6. Turmeric and black pepper. Turmeric is widely recognized as a natural remedy for reducing inflammation and promoting healing. Turmeric powder can be used in stir-fries, curries, soups, and stews, or in herbal teas. Turmeric's main component, curcumin, has been demonstrated to inhibit malignant tumors from developing new blood vessels. This suppresses cancer cells and prevents them from spreading. Adding black pepper to your turmeric can improve your absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. Number 7. Mushrooms. Mushrooms have been used in China for generations to increase immunity and prevent sickness. PSP and PSK, plant compounds derived from mushrooms, have been utilized as cancer treatments in Japan and China since the 1970s. Turkey tail, cordyceps, chaga, lion's mane, reishi, and maitake mushrooms are known for their anti-cancer properties. These include over 40 phytonutrients that prevent cancer, including quercetin, hispalon, bicolline, and others. Number 8. Matcha green tea. To boost cell health, consume 2 cups of matcha green tea every day. Matcha, unlike conventional green tea, has more chlorophyll and concentrated nutrients with therapeutic effects. One of its key constituents, EGCG, has been found to inhibit cancer cells from spreading from tumors to other tissues and organs throughout the body. Number 9. Wild-caught fish. To prevent cancer from spreading to damaged areas of the body, it's crucial to manage inflammation. This reduces the risk of cancer and aids in its treatment. Wild fish such as sardines, salmon, and mackerel are among the most effective anti-inflammatory meals. These fish contain active omega-3 fatty acids that reduce swelling and inflammation, protecting against cancer. When on a cancer treatment plan, it's crucial to consume these foods often to support the body's response to chemotherapy and other treatments. Take 500 milligrams of Antarctic krill oil as a supplement every day. This product combines stabilized omega-3s and astaxanthin, a potent antioxidant and cancer-fighting carotenoid. Number 10. Sugar-free dark chocolate. Cacao beans used to produce chocolate contain antioxidants and phytonutrients such as chlorogenic acid, which can help prevent cancer. This fruit has more flavanols than blueberries and acai, making it an excellent choice for increasing antioxidant levels. Choose organic dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa solids and sweetened with stevia instead of sugar. Consuming a few cubes daily helps improve blood pressure, cholesterol regulation, and reduce cortisol, a stress hormone that causes weight gain. Let's look at some additional foods that have anti-cancer properties that I can't go into detail here today due to the scope of this video. You want to research these in your own time. This video discusses various lifestyle tips to protect and heal cells, including fasting for 48 hours or longer, eating soluble fiber-rich foods like chia seeds, reducing processed meats, and eliminating sugar to prevent free radical damage. Hydration with mineral water is essential, and adding potassium citrate can improve cell function and remove excess sugar. Organic antioxidant-rich foods like low glycemic berries, lemons, krill oil, nutritional yeast, grass-fed beef, organ meats, and sea kelp can stimulate cellular healing. Exercising 20 minutes, at least 2 times per week, increases oxygen levels by 10 to 20 times in the blood, which cancer cells do not thrive in. Infrared light from the sun can boost melatonin, a powerful antioxidant. Quitting smoking or vaping is also recommended. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome content, and drop a comment below with your favorite healthy foods. Until next time, Stay healthy and happy.